Python, one of the most easiest scripting language to learn. We will use Python as a bridge to transition students from Scratch or any other visual coding programs into learning script. Some students may choose to learn Python as their introductory class into programming. That is completely fine. In this course, we will create 3 projects: a rock, paper, scissors game, a turtle race, and finally, a team picker, which we will use to teach arrays and randomization. This is our recommended course before attempting any of our Unity 3D courses. As usual, there's a free trial available, so sign up and schedule your free trial and see how you like it and go from there.